Welcome to the Aruka Blueprint Inventory, where you can find structured training plans designed to restore and elevate performance. Let's walk through how to get started with your blueprint. First, select a blueprint that fits your current goals, whether it's motion therapy, shapeshifter, or our wired series. You can download our free 1-week demo blueprint to get a feel for the structure. Each blueprint includes daily workouts with blocks, circuits, and exercises organized by weeks and days. These may include speed, mobility, decompression, or strength modules, each with specific instructions and video demos. Click on any block to expand it and see coaching points, rep schemes, and technique tips. Every movement is supported by video instruction for proper execution. For on-the-go access, use the mobile workout view. It gives you a clean, block-by-block breakdown that you can follow easily from the gym or the field. Be sure to browse related articles and bonus videos included with your blueprint. These gives you deeper insights into performance training, movement science, and long-term growth strategies. Our Aruka Blueprints transform your training. Every block is built with intention, so start where you are and grow from there.